Alright, time to do some food shopping at Whole Foods. Here we go. What the heck? We got some broccoli doing some exercising? Whoa. What's going on here? What the heck? Now a walking lemon? Wait a second, what is going on here in this Whole Foods? Crazy, what's gonna be next? Wait, what? A jalapeno? Hey, little guy, are you lost? Let's check out the seafood. Alright, what is going on here? A sushi in the seafood section? Hey buddy, are you lost? Let me see if I could find where you're supposed to be. Oh my goodness, don't be shy, it's gonna be okay. Alright, time to get some coffee. Whoa! What's going on? Why are you crying? Huh? Don't be sad, I'm here to drink some coffee. Come on, let's go. Now let's see what they got at the salad bar. What's a pizza doing at the salad bar? Hey buddy, what you doing here? This is the salad bar. Alright, I like pizza, but I can't have it right now. I want to have a healthy salad, okay? See you later. Bye-bye. Alright, let's see what they got for ice cream here. What the heck? What is an ice cream cone doing in the middle of the floor in Whole Foods? What are you guys doing in here? You should be in the freezer. You're melting. Alright, see ya. Later. Alright, almost done food shopping. Wait, what? Hello? When do they start serving hamburgers in Whole Foods? Alright, this is strange. I think I'm about ready to go. Alright, let's get some snacks. What? Alright, this is the strangest experience. We got a donut in the healthy food section. Whoa. Hello, little guy. Alright, I'm leaving. I gotta get out of here. This is strange. Bye-bye. Alright, here we go. Time to go. Whoa! Look at this greeting. Bye, guys. See ya. Bye-bye.